What's going on YouTube? It's Julio here from RP Films, and I know it's been a while, but bringing you guys back a banger. I got Jared back here filming videos. We have a lot of updates. Probably not a whole lot of updates from last time. We've been kind of doing the same thing, but we've been doing it better. So we finally have our boxes. We have our 40 by 100 inch rolls available on our website. And before we get into the video, I'm just giving you guys a quick announcement that all of our films are available in California and Texas, available for shipping to anywhere in the United States. And yeah, we have them available in 40 by 100. So before we get into this video, just want to let you guys know that today we are doing a Honda, and I'm going to be doing this one by myself, showing you guys the process of print installation and what film they're choosing. So I'll walk you guys through the whole process. Okay, so we have a couple different options. We have a dye window film demonstration to show them how bad a dye window film is when it comes to performance. And then we have our carbon and we have our ceramic. So we have 5 shades here and 5 shades here, demoing what the potential options are for clients. Now this customer chose to go with the 5 in the back and they chose a 35 in the front. So let's go ahead and plot that out. So I always recommend try to save time by finding ways around to, like for example, while that's cutting, let me go ahead. You can see that. All right guys, so a lot of tips that I recommend for you guys is while I'm plotting out, I like to save time by going and prepping the glass. Now, a common issue people have is that the film will peel because they choose to do the hardest thing last. They choose to do the back windshield, they pull it outside and the film doesn't have a chance to stick. So always start with the back glass first and then work your way through the sides if you're working solo. So right now it's cutting, I'm moving over here, I'm gonna prep the glass and get it ready. Now, if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, well, what else are you doing besides subscribing? Click the subscribe button because Jared's not free. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe. That's about it. That's the only thing I asked for. And go buy film.
There you go.
It's like, ooh, yeah. All right, guys, so if you want to see exclusive content, stuff you can only see by paying a small membership, head over to the link below and check out my OnlyFans. If you want to see more stuff like this. It's like, ooh. All right guys, so we got an order here to send out to Daniel Incarnation. Daniel Incarnation. Encarnacion to Sacramento.
You want to run that back?
No, it's all good. It's okay. What's he gonna do? Change his name? Or maybe he spelled it wrong, I don't know. Incarnation? Yeah, I'm just kidding. Daniel, thank you for your order. It's going out, packaged by me. Oh, sorry, actually I gotta turn this on for a while. We'll run it back. Well, we put the shipping label on top right here. When we do the order, just to confirm at the end of the day to avoid mistakes, on the box as well. Gotta let our heat waxing thing heat up, strap it up, and this will be going out UPS to Sacramento, same day. All right guys, so we're gonna go ahead and end the video there. I hope you guys enjoyed. So go check us out at www.rpwindowfilms.com. Like the video, subscribe, and let me know what you guys would like to see so we can make more content for you guys. See you guys in the next video.